3 years ago, I uploaded my last video, shut down my laptop, and then accidentally took the longest break in YouTube history. I didn't plan for it, but life turned 180 degrees on me. So, school began to become serious. I had a national exam approaching, the one that you can't really just ignore unless you like stress and poor decision making, for whatever reason that is. And I was starting to see that the laptop I was using to record and edit the videos on began to act funny. Then one random day, it just died on me from out of nowhere. Like, no warnings, no pop up, just dead. One morning, I tried to boot up the laptop and it didn't boot. And obviously, this situation wasn't any good for the videos I was making. So, I was stuck with an old laptop from 2010, which had the following specs on the screen. So, rather than forcing content that I would not personally watch, I decided to not upload anymore. And what's ironic is that once I stopped recording the videos because my laptop couldn't do anything graphics heavy, I decided to learn way more things that didn't require a lot of computing power. So I kind of drifted away from focusing only on Arduino and started playing with Linux, virtual machines, IT related things, and cybersecurity. In fact, I obtained my introduction to cybersecurity certificate from Cisco. So, spending hours troubleshooting why something wasn't working the way it did before and learning how things really worked under the hood became part of my daily routine. And I also began working with AI tools, the ones that will save you time and brain cells. None of what I was doing at this point had anything to do with Arduino or my YouTube channel. It was just curiosity and experimentation. And at this point, it seemed very weird that my channel was still only associated with Arduino when this is no longer what I do anymore. So I will be shifting the content a bit. The Arduino videos are still staying, they aren't going anywhere. But from now on, it's all about tech in a wider sense. Linux, IT, virtual machines, cybersecurity, AI, and other things you can apply in your life. Things that come in clutch when you need them. So if you like the video, if you like where the channel is heading, then consider supporting me by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. And by then, take care.